Alright, sorry guys, I started recording late here. I had a bit of an issue. I'm mulligan to 6, playing against Narset. I apologize, you can tell we're kind of halfway through a game here. I know their hand consists of Expedition Map and Supreme Verdict. They did not cast the Expedition Map in hand, which implies to me that the only other card in their hand is a counterspell of some kind. Didn't draw land here, so I'm compelled to traverse for a forest. We can duress and then crucible, which should be pretty Gucci. We'll have to deal with them resolving Narset, so I don't know why they didn't. I apologize. They must have discarded Expedition Map. At some point, I'm not even sure how. I guess while I was starting the recording. I don't even know what this does. Exile target land. Well, that's pretty good. They can take the Blighted Fen, which is currently keeping their Narset in check. But we can cast Damnation. So that was their draw for the turn. Expecting Narset to come down. I'm sure I won't be disappointed. Okay. Oh, they can... I misunderstood the card. Most fading cards, at least as I understand them, have one come off at their upkeep. And that's kind of when they're able to use the ability. Oh, I think I got it actually. That's not that good. As long as I'm not missing something here. Hopefully it does, in fact, leave the battlefield. I'm sure there's some kind of interaction in their deck that causes it to never leave the battlefield or something, but... what are we doing here? We can Green Sun for 1. I think we're kind of okay just waiting here. I guess the idea is that he's going to get an attack in with Narset if we just don't do anything about it. Because on his turn, it's going to remove a counter. He's going to play Narset. He's going to pass. And then we get our lands back on his turn as he attacks with Narset. So at which point we can activate the Blighted Fen, so maybe we're actually okay. Good Green Sun for a Dryad Arbor. And that way we have something to get back with Crucible of Worlds. When we Damnation, that's kind of loose. There's not really much in our deck we can get for X equals 1. I'm just going to pass. Opponent's empty-handed. Kind of just cast a pseudo do-nothing card here. We have a Phyrexian Arena. Provided that this doesn't somehow stay in play, and we do get our lands back, we should be okay. They don't come in tapped or anything, so I think we can activate Blighted Fen here and kill his Narset. Well, that's another way to kill his Narset. It is contingent on this resolving. If we get dazed or anything, it would be extremely bad. We can't get dazed. We already got Mana Tithe once earlier in the game. He doesn't have an island with which to cast Mana Tithe. Or, sorry, Daze. I think we were fine. It's just Force of Will, I think. Okay. Alright, so I misunderstood. It's a good thing we drew Liliana then. That was likely a very clutch draw. I thought once it had no counters on it, it would be sacrificed, but that is not the case. It's not until this next coming upkeep that will happen. Opponent is drawing a bunch of garbage. This is likely Narset again. We can do the Blighted Fen thing. Ooh. How many lands are we getting back? 1, 2, 3. One of which is coming in tapped. So we'll have... Are we not? I think we'll have just enough. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Just discard this Raven's Crime. Oh, we got rid of a Mystic Confluence. That's pretty gas. Did I miscount? No. I don't think I did. I don't think our opponent saw the ability for us to do that. I'm sure they'll be very sad. So now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just play Gitrog, I guess. If we draw another land, we could have prime timed him. Anyway, that went much better than the previous game. I'll see you guys for the third one. I apologize about the issue at the beginning. You didn't really miss a lot. We got Mana Tithe. What are we trying? We tried to cast an Lotus Cobra, got Mana Tithe. That was pretty bad. We didn't really do a whole lot. We just kind of both stared at each other for a while. Anyway, see you guys in the third one.